Imagine a world where your doctor is a robot, your lawyer, a robot, your financial advisor, you guessed it, a robot. It sounds like science fiction, right? But with the rapid advancement of artificial general intelligence, this fictional future might be closer than we think. And for many, it raises a chilling question. What happens to the middle class when robots can do our jobs better, faster, and cheaper? This isn't about losing your job to a machine on the factory floor. This is about the potential for AGI to disrupt entire industries, from white-collar professions to creative fields. This essay dives deep into this complex issue, exploring the potential consequences of widespread AGI adoption on the middle class and the steps we can take to navigate this uncertain future. The stakes are high, and the time to prepare is now. Are we on the brink of a technological utopia or an economic earthquake that could shatter the middle class as we know it? Let's explore. A recent International Monetary Fund study sent shockwaves through the global economic community. The study, focusing on the potential impact of advanced AI on the workforce, painted a sobering picture. One of the most concerning findings was the potential for AGI to exacerbate existing wealth inequalities. The study suggests that while AGI could lead to significant economic growth, the benefits might not be evenly distributed. Those who own and control these advanced technologies, a select few tech giants and innovators, stand to gain the most. This concentration of wealth in the hands of a few could lead to a shrinking middle class, a widening gap between the rich and the poor, and potential social and political unrest. The IMF study doesn't just highlight the problems, it also proposes solutions. The report stresses the need for proactive government policies, such as investing in education and retraining programs to equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven economy. It also suggests exploring social safety nets, like a universal basic income, to ensure a basic standard of living for all. This study serves as a wake-up call, urging us to prepare for the economic and social shifts that widespread AGI adoption could bring. Leading voices in the field of AI, from Elon Musk to the godfather of deep learning, Geoffrey Hinton, have expressed concerns about the potential societal impacts of AGI. While acknowledging the potential benefits of AI, they also caution against rushing headlong into an uncertain future without considering the consequences. Kai-Fu Lee AGI will likely lead to significant job displacement, particularly in routine white-collar jobs. It's crucial for governments and businesses to invest in reskilling and upskilling programs to prepare workers for the jobs of the future. Geoffrey Hinton. There are serious concerns about the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as creating autonomous weapons systems. We need ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly. These experts offer a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the potential benefits and risks of AGI. Their insights remind us that the future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it in a way that benefits all of humanity. The tech industry, often at the forefront of innovation, is also a prime example of the winner-takes-all dynamic. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Facebook have leveraged their technological prowess and vast data troves to become global behemoths, often at the expense of smaller competitors. This trend raises concerns about the potential for AGI to further concentrate wealth and power in the hands of a few tech giants. As these companies pour billions into AGI research and development, they are poised to reap the lion's share of the rewards, potentially leaving smaller businesses and workers behind. Tech company representative. This potential for increased economic inequality underscores the need for antitrust regulations and policies that promote competition and prevent monopolies in the tech industry. It also highlights the importance of supporting startups and small businesses, the engines of innovation and job creation.
Section 5. The government's role. Can policy keep up with progress? As the pace of technological change accelerates, governments worldwide face the daunting task of adapting their policies to address the potential disruptions of AGI. This includes everything from regulating the development and deployment of AI to preparing their workforces for the jobs of the future. One crucial area for government intervention is education. Traditional education systems, often slow to adapt, will need to evolve to equip students with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven economy. This includes fostering critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and adaptability skills that will be in high demand as automation reshapes the job market.
Another key area is social safety nets. As AGI disrupts industries and displaces workers, governments may need to consider strengthening social safety nets, such as unemployment insurance, healthcare, and job retraining programs. Some experts even advocate for exploring more radical solutions, like a universal basic income, to provide a financial cushion for those whose livelihoods are affected by automation. The government's role in navigating the age of AGI will be critical. From fostering innovation to protecting workers, the decisions made by policymakers will have a profound impact on how this technology shapes our future. Section 6. Preparing for the future. What can individuals do? While the potential impacts of AGI may seem daunting, individuals are not powerless. There are steps we can take to prepare for the future and thrive in an AI-driven world. One of the most important things individuals can do is to embrace lifelong learning. In a rapidly changing job market, the skills you have today may not be relevant tomorrow. Make a commitment to continuously learning and upskilling throughout your career. This could involve taking online courses, attending workshops, or pursuing advanced degrees. The future belongs to those who are adaptable, resourceful, and willing to embrace new challenges. By taking proactive steps to prepare, individuals can navigate the changes brought about by AGI and position themselves for success in the years to come. Section 7. Education and retraining, investing in human capital. The education system, as we know it, needs a reboot. Traditional models of education, often focused on rote memorization and standardized testing, are ill-equipped to prepare students for the demands of an AI-powered world. We need to move towards a more holistic approach to education, one that emphasizes critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and collaboration. These skills, often referred to as 21st century skills, will be essential for success in a future where machines can perform routine tasks with greater efficiency than humans. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must work together to create a more agile and responsive education system that equips individuals with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in the age of AI. Section 8. Universal Basic Income, a safety net for the age of AI. As AGI and automation displace workers across various industries, the concept of a universal basic income, or UBI, has gained traction as a potential solution to address the economic fallout. UBI is a system where the government provides every citizen with a regular, unconditional sum of money, regardless of their employment status. Proponents argue that UBI could provide a safety net for those who lose their jobs due to automation, while also stimulating the economy by boosting consumer spending. While UBI is not without its critics, who raise concerns about its potential cost and possible disincentives to work, it remains a topic of intense debate as policymakers grapple with the potential for widespread job displacement in the age of AI. Section 9. Embracing change. Adaptability as a key skill. In a world being reshaped by artificial intelligence, adaptability is no longer a desirable trait. It's a necessity. The ability to learn new skills, embrace new technologies, and pivot to new career paths will be crucial for individuals to navigate the evolving job market. This requires a shift in mindset, from viewing careers as linear progressions to seeing them as dynamic journeys that may involve multiple twists and turns. Those who can embrace change, adapt to new situations, and continuously learn and grow will be best positioned to thrive in the age of AGI. Section 10. The future is now a call to action. The rise of AGI presents both unprecedented opportunities and challenges. It has the potential to revolutionize our world, solving some of humanity's most pressing problems and creating new possibilities we can only begin to imagine. However, it also carries the risk of exacerbating existing inequalities, disrupting industries, and leaving many behind. The future is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it. We need to approach the development and deployment of AGI with both excitement and caution, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity. This requires a collaborative effort involving governments, businesses, researchers, and individuals to guide AI's development, mitigate its risks, and harness its transformative power for good. The choices we make today will determine the course of the future. Let's work together to create a future where AGI empowers humanity, fosters prosperity, and creates a more just and equitable world for all. Section 11. What do you think? Let's talk about it. This is not the end of the conversation. It's just the beginning. The rise of AGI is a topic that demands our attention, our critical thinking, and our active engagement. It's a topic that will affect us all, regardless of our age, profession, or background. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the potential impact of AGI on the middle class? What steps do you think we should take to prepare for the future? Share your thoughts, concerns, and ideas in the comments below.